Like very proud of the group. Like obviously, would have loved to get the win for the team, for the Latvian hockey fans, and what a great support that like hockey fans from Liepāja and the surroundings gave us. Like 3 great games, and like we had a great start. Like first period, I felt that we were real strong. Like we made a mistake and they capitalized on a 2-on-1, and then in the second period, like we kind of lost our focus. Like they scored that power play goal, and then third period, like we tried to mount a comeback, like down by 3 goals, and once again, we saw the Latvian pride. Like we never quit, and like we were close, but not close enough. So like congrats to like the Belarus team. Like they deserve to win. They played a very good game, and on our side, like hey, we played lots of young players, so it's a great learning experience. We evaluate our players, like we see them in a competitive environment. We played like 2 overtime games, and tonight like we lost by 1 goal. So basically every shift has a meaning, and you have to learn to compete, learn to manage the game, and lots of those young players. I think it's a great learning experience.
Turnīrs ir labi norganizēts, paldies Rodim, Rodolfam Kalaitim, tā kā Malačiks, cik sapratu, viņš īsti organizēja, viss bija līmenī, tā kā to nav ko piesēties, komandas sastāvs bija labs, normāls varējām uz Baltkrievs arī paņemt, tā kā bija interesants spēles, domāju, skatītājiem patika.
Kas pēdējā spēlē varbūt pietrūka, lai līdz uzvarē?
Kas pietrūka momentu, varbūt realizācija bišķiņ pietrūka, vairākums varēja būt bišķiņ labāks. Jā, tas laikam tas ir galvenais, kas no mans skatu punkts.
Cik svarīgi spēlētājiem atbraukt novembra pārtraukumā, teiksim tā, ka visu laiku esi klubā rīcībā un tagad tas izlases rīcībā. Kā tas ir?
Jā, man personīgi gribējās bišķiņ tās rutīnas tikt ārā un atbraukt pārstāvēt Latvijas izlasē šajā turnīrā. Vienmēr patīkami atbraukt, satikt visus džekus, ko tu nestiec sezonas laikā. Tāpēc es domāju, ka tas emocionāli